The Mystery in the Ice, The Secret of 3I Atlas. A whisper from the frozen world, high atop the world, where the wind whispers secrets and the ice holds memories of 1,000,000 years. Scientists listen. They use giant ears not of flesh, but of metal and wire called radio telescopes. They listen to the silent symphony of the stars, hoping to hear a new note. Then, in the deep, cold silence of Greenland, they heard something. It wasn't a whisper, it was a shout, a signal, a powerful repeating ping buried deep within the ice. They gave it a name, 3I Atlas, a vast snowy landscape under a starry sky with the silhouette of a large radio telescope. The great detective game. When the scientists announced their discovery, they didn't say, "We found aliens." They said, "We found something very interesting, and we need your help to figure it out." It became the world's greatest detective game. Everyone, from experts in labs to people in their living rooms, began to share their ideas. What could it be? Image. A diverse group of people, a scientist, a student, a farmer looking at a holographic globe with a question mark over Greenland, the scientific suspects. The detectives in white coats offered their best, most careful guesses. Suspect number 1, a hidden valley. Could it be a massive, previously unknown trench under the ice, reflecting radio waves in a strange way? The Earth is still full of surprises. Suspect number 2, a secret mineral. Maybe a giant deposit of a special kind of rock, one we've never seen before, is causing this strange signal. A geological treasure. Suspect number 3, a scientific experiment. Some wondered if it could be a top-secret human project, buried deep for safety, that was accidentally discovered. 3 thought bubbles showing. 1. A diagram of a trench under the ice. 2. A glowing crystalline rock formation. 3. A sleek man-made machine buried in ice. The cosmic dreamers. But other detectives looked up at the night sky and dreamed bigger dreams. Their ideas were exciting and filled with wonder. The alien spacecraft theory. What if they said, it's not a rock at all? What if it's a ship? A vessel from another world that landed on Earth long, long ago, before the ice ever covered the land. The signal could be its sleeping heart, still slowly beating. The ancient beacon theory. Others imagined it as a message in a bottle, but the bottle was a spacecraft. A beacon placed there by an ancient civilization, not to invade, but to say, you are not alone. We are here. The alien probe theory. Perhaps it's a robotic explorer sent to study our world, waiting patiently in the deep freeze for its creators to call it home. A stylized, non-threatening, organic-looking spaceship partially buried in blue ice, with a soft, gentle light pulsing from within. Putting on our thinking hats. With so many amazing ideas, how do we know what is possible? We use our thinking hats. The green hat creativity. This is where all the wild, wonderful ideas are born. Alien ships, ancient beacons, anything is possible here. It's fun to imagine. The white hat facts. This is where we look at what we know. We know the signal's location. We know it's powerful. We know it's real. We don't know what causes it. Yet underscore the red hat feelings. This discovery makes us feel curious, excited, and a little bit in awe of our universe. It's okay to feel that wonder. The blue hat thinking about thinking. This hat reminds us to be respectful. We don't make fun of others' ideas. We listen, we learn, and we remember that the scientists are working hard to find the truth. Image. 6 different colored hats, each with a symbol. A light bulb for green, a fact file for white, a heart for red, and a conductor's baton for blue. Closing parenthesis. The adventure continues. So, what is 3I Atlas? The truth is, the final page of this story hasn't been written. The scientists are still listening, still digging through data, and still learning. The mystery in the ice isn't solved, but that's the most exciting part. The story of 3I Atlas reminds us that our world is still a place of mystery. It shows that when we find something strange, the whole world can come together in a spirit of curiosity and discovery. Maybe it's a new valley. Maybe it's a spaceship. The real treasure is the journey to find out. What do you think it could be? Share your own respectful and creative ideas in the comments below. Let's continue the adventure together. Image. A child looking through a telescope at a starry sky, with a faint, mysterious glow coming from the direction of Earth's North Pole. A note from the storyteller adhering to YouTube guidelines. This story is based on real scientific discussion and public curiosity. The theories presented, including those about extraterrestrial origins, are speculative ideas from the public domain and are presented here for the purposes of creative storytelling and fostering scientific curiosity. This content does not make definitive claims of fact, but explores possibilities in a fun and imaginative way. Always look to official scientific sources for verified information. Let's keep the conversation respectful, kind, and open-minded for everyone.